Today I want to show you a Bauknecht cooker that's brand new, but it gets a lot of bad reviews in internet specifically for this model. And the well-known problem is electronic problem, which is the touchscreen right there. So I'm quite interested to open it and see why does it get such problems and why does it get so many bad reviews. And of course, if there's anything we can do about it to minimize the risk from a future problem, since I'll be selling this with 1 year of full warranty. Now at the end of this video, I'll be rating this model from 1 to 5 and give you my honest opinion if you should buy this model from Bauknecht or not. Okay, so we're going to start by opening the back side and inspecting what's inside. I've also done a review on a Bauknecht oven, so if you haven't seen that, make sure to go to the description. I'll put a link so you can check it out. Now we're going to remove the back screws. What I like from the start is that Bauknecht has put the lid simply on the back. By removing these screws, you can easily reach the inside. Now most of the reviews that I've read, if not all complain about the electronic failing after a few months. Now this is the electronic module, and right from the start I can see where the problem lies. This electronic is not being protected from any heat. There is no isolation whatsoever, which is needed since the heater is right next to it, and here for example should be filled with isolation. So it's no surprise that the electronic module will fail after a few months, since the only thing separating it from the heater elements is this metal right there, metal wall, and metal is not a good isolator for heat. Now to prevent this problem from occurring in the future, I'm going to isolate all of the electronic with isolation right there and protect it from the heat. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using this material, which is glass wool. It is used in ovens to isolate from the heat. So I will cut this and place it right there to protect the electronic. Now technical wise, if I have to rate it from 1 to 5, I can give it no more than 2, because of the design flaw that there is no thermal isolation for the electronic, which would of course comes to this problem that the electronic would fail after a few months. So overall, I would definitely stay away from this type of model in the future, and that's a shame because my opinion of Bauknecht was positive before, but that's regarding the old models. Clearly the new models have a lot of design flaws and are in general poorly designed, which is such a shame.